Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today I am going to show you how to make the very tasty and delicious mutton keema samosa easily at home. They taste so good guys, especially in this Ramadan month. These are the best if they are snack. See guys how perfect they are, crunchy from outside along with the very tasty keema filling inside. Watch the video till the end guys. I am also going to show you how to keep this mutton keema filling fresh for up to 2 weeks. If you are first time watching my channel or still not subscribed, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification and select all for more interesting recipes. Let's start. The ingredients are 600 grams of mutton keema, minced mutton, 4 big onions finely chopped, 10 green chilies finely chopped, a handful of mint and coriander finely chopped, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, salt to taste, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds powder, 1 tablespoon of spices powder garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder, 300 grams of all purpose flour, maida, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of suji semolina. It gives the crunchiness to the samosas, and 1 tablespoon of clarified ghee, and we need oil for deep fry. I will give all the ingredients list in the description below. Let's start. Take a big pan, put 3 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up on medium flame. Now add the onions. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and the turmeric powder. Mix well and cook until the onions become soft. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring for every 1 minute to avoid burning. Meanwhile, let's see the view from my kitchen. This is the A block of my condominium. We are staying in B block, 18th floor. See, you can see that is the 5th floor ground. See guys, the onions become soft ready. Now add the garlic ginger paste. Fry it until the raw smell of the garlic ginger paste completely gone. Keep stirring to avoid burning. Now add this mutton keema. Mix well until well combined. Now add the green chilies. Mix well. Cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Give a stir for every 1 minute to avoid burning. See guys, after 5 minutes it looks like this. Now add half glass of water. Mix well and cook for 5 more minutes on medium flame. See guys, the mutton keema almost cooked ready. Now add the cumin seeds powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder and the garam masala. Mix well and cook for 1 more minute on medium flame. Keep stirring to avoid burning. Now finally add the mint and coriander leaves. Mix well. Cover the lid and cook for 30 seconds and then turn off the flame. That's all guys. The mutton keema filling is ready. Now taste one time. If anything needed, you can adjust. Now let's go make the samosa dough. Put the all purpose flour in a big bowl. Add sugar and the semolina suji and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix until well combined. Now add water little by little and knead into a soft dough. Like this guys. Now cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now sprinkle some flour on a clean surface. Take the dough and knead it for 1 more minute. Now divide the dough into small equal size portions. Now cover them with a kitchen towel. Take one of the dough. Roll it as shown. Now divide this into 2 parts as shown. Take one of the part. Apply water along the edges. Now fold it as shown. Now take this into your hand like this. Now fill this with the keema mixture and seal it nicely as shown. Now put this on a plate. In the same way, make all the samosas. Now let's go deep fry them. Heat up the oil. Don't overheat the oil guys. When it is medium hot, put the samosas one by one and deep fry them on medium flame until they turn to nice golden brown color. Keep turning them over guys so that they will get even color from all the sides. See guys, the samosas are ready. Now take them onto a plate with a tissue to remove the excess oil. That's all guys. The very tasty and delicious mutton keema samosas are ready. Now put this leftover mutton keema mixture in a airtight container and store this in the freezer. It can stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Whenever you want, take it out and let it come to a room temperature or defrost it in the microwave and make samosas again and can enjoy. See guys how perfect and crunchy our samosas are looking. You can enjoy them along with your favorite sauce. They taste excellent. Hope you guys like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.